Hello, my name is Somnath Kharel. My student ID is 2019010461, and here is my identity card provided by our campus. Now I am going to present my part of presentation, our assessment 3, part B, ethics in Australian financial planning industry. Financial planning is generally a step-by-step approach. This financial planning mostly acts as a type of guide. It encompasses benefit to take control upon investment expenses and income. This overall discussion is based on the essay upon Australia based code of ethics. According to Maleka 2014, financial planning can be termed as the formation by step method which examine the entire need of businesses. There are 12 standards of ethics of higher level for the adverse of the finance. The ASEA Code of Ethics include 5 values of ethics, that is trustworthiness, competence, honesty, fairness, and diligence. Financial advising process as a professional value added service. A financial advisor by conducting essential financial planning determine the client's goals. They solve the issues related to the major requirement of finance in future. They provide a better consolidation, cost reduction opportunity, tax planning. Financial planning is effective because it helps to determine the long-term and short-term goals. In order to achieve our financial goal, there are 5 tips. The first one is link investment to the financial goal. For goal, allocate assets based on the risk profile. Review the investment portfolio regularly. Seek professional financial advice. Investment are not collectible. Economic and financial market environment. The financial planners in the financial planning industry in Australia generally follows essential economic and financial market. The several economic and financial market environments are like the stock market, bond market, forex, and others. The over-the-counter market is also effective as this work to decentralize the entire market. Market environments are also essential to provide guidance of code of ethics. Legal and regulatory framework. Legal and regulatory framework of an Australia-based financial planning industry. The 6 state federation in Australia and the legal framework like Corporation Act 2001. Counter-Terrorism Financing Act 2006 are essential as this ensure specific obligation for the financial advisor. This kind of obligation are crucial to reduce the ethical issue in the financial planning. Financial advising and finance planning for individual clients. There are a variety of plans related to investment, insurance, superannuation are present. The best investment planning upon LICs, ETFs are present, which can provide the best assessment. Local government superannuation for health, death coverage is also important to advise for. Financial planner can advise the client to invest in local international real estate. Justification of thesis statement. Financial planner and advisor code of ethics Purposed in year 2020 on 1st January, Code of Ethics ensure resolve the occurrence of ethical issues. It helps to analyze the risk criteria present among the economic, market environment for financial planner and advisor. At the last but not least, financial planning is becoming a profession that has several benefit to fulfill the requirement of clients by achieving financial goal. Code of ethics is essential that raises the standard of financial planning. This also helps to maintain a effective provision of value-added services. However, Australia financial planning can be classed as profession as the job of financial planning and planners of finance that has got the recognition as a profession by the public, media, regulators, and government of Australia. Thank you.